Hi, this is Brian Sherman at Berkshire Hathaway. Today's topic is about home warranties. With the competitive market that home buyers find themselves in today, they many times are not doing home inspections, which again would be against my advice, as home inspections are very valid. But being competitive, sometimes the home buyer chooses to not get a home inspection. Thus, the topic of home warranties comes up very frequently. And the reason I'm bringing up the topic of home warranty is to have you, as a home buyer, be aware that they do work in a given way. That is, the number of companies that are out there, there's 3 to 4 very valid companies in this area that all do good work. But think of a home warranty as like an insurance company. That is, they're ensuring that the AC, the plumbing, and different items covered will work for the next year. And in that warranty, they obviously are looking as a company, which is just always their deal, this is the way companies work, is to minimize the cost while still giving you satisfaction. And an item that comes up frequently, and it's just because of the fact it's used all the time, would be your HVAC, as your air conditioning and heating. That these items, when they get kicked on for the first time, the seasons change, a person can find out that the system doesn't work, though it did work at the time the home was purchased. So the home warranties is called. They come, you pay that contractor their standard fee that has already been noted to you as part of doing the home warranty. The item, the AC or the heater gets fixed. Everything is good. You go a couple months, and let's say it breaks again. Call the home warranty company. They again will send a technician out, perhaps a different one. It depends on availability and, of course, trying to get you satisfied quickly. They get it fixed, and everything's hunky-dory. But then, by holding the low, that all of a sudden, it breaks a third time. So now you're frustrated. I've heard this from buyers of my own that have been frustrated that we've had this discussion. But I ask them, as always, to call me because I have contacts within these companies that sometimes can get satisfaction of a different response. But regardless, let's say it does break a third time. Call one company, and depending upon what's been going on with the repairs, it could be they'll repair again, or at this point they replace it. Because once it gets to a certain level, they will do a replacement, but you've had to have them come out 2 or 3 times. There is no guarantee at what point they would do that, but that's just the nature of a home warranty. It's very valid because it fixes an item that is covered in a manner that gets you back up and going. But the fact is, they may have done something to get it fixed, but not realizing yet that it had to be replaced. And that track record of going through repairs or before they replace can cause frustrations. But as always, I tell people, give me a call. I will always be able to give you some direction as to how to best handle it.